Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Using Strava offline is a great way to save your phone battery life. It also helps when you are in remote areas with no cell service. You can still track your runs or rides without a live data connection. First, you need a Strava subscription to download routes for offline use. Open the app while you still have internet at home. Go to the Maps tab and find your saved routes. Tap on the specific route you want to use for your trip. You must download the map data to your device. Look for the down arrow or the download icon. This saves the map details directly to your phone storage. Now you are ready to head outside. Turn off your cellular data or put your phone in airplane mode. Open the Strava app and hit the record button. Your phone uses a GPS chip to track your location. GPS does not need a data plan to function correctly. You will see your live position on the saved map. Start your workout as you normally would. The app will record your speed and total distance. It also tracks your elevation and total time. When you finish your workout, hit the stop button. Save your activity carefully. Strava will store the data on your device locally. It will not upload to the cloud until you have service. You must wait until you find a stable Wi-Fi signal. Once you connect to the internet, open the app again. The activity will sync to your profile automatically. This method is perfect for long mountain hikes or bike rides in the deep woods.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.